Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surprise. So in this video, I will show you how to connect Canva to Gemini AI. So to connect Canva to Gemini AI, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly, you have to log in Gemini. So go to one of your browser and in the search bar you have to search Gemini and you click on the first link. As you can see this, I have already logged in here. So firstly, you have to log in and then you have to click on setting and here personal intelligence and then connected apps and then you have to scroll down here and there you will get Canva. So click on the toggle button on, click on allow, click on continue, agree and continue, and you have to allow here. So authorization successful. So we have connected Gemini to Canva successfully. So if you go to new chat and here if you put this at the rate and here you can get Canva easily. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.